Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to consistently grow your trading account. We don't want to just make money. We want to make money consistently so we can quit our jobs, so we can only trade. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about some strategies, some techniques that you guys can do to start making money consistently in the stock market. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask it down below. And if you guys are like, who is this random guy on YouTube? My name is Carter. I've been a full-time swing trader in the stock market for over 6 years. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school where I teach people my strategies, my mindset, my approach, pretty much on how I find stocks and opportunity. Check it out down below. We have private live streams, we have quizzes, lectures, everything you guys need to be a full-time trader. Check it out down below. And you guys can use code MONEY because right now we're trying to make as much money as we can. Code MONEY for 50% off the course. So check it out down below. And we do offer one-on-one coaching as well. So check that out. So guys, let's jump into this here. So the biggest thing with trading and swing trading and whatever you're doing in the stock market is, one, there's a million different ways you guys can make money from the stock market. You guys can buy and hold, you can trade, you can do dividend investing. There are so many different fun and exciting ways. Today we are going to be talking about trading, especially swing trading. So swing trading is when you buy a stock, you hold it for more than a day but less than 1 year. So on average, I do hold my swing trades for 6 to 9 days, and of course there will be times where I buy it today, sell it tomorrow, and there will be times where I buy it today and sell it in a couple of months. It all depends on the stock and strategy. The first thing you need to understand is, if you're just starting out with trading, is don't expect to get rich quick. A lot of people have this mindset and association that trading in general, anytime you see a trader, is they're getting rich quick. They're turning $100 into $100 million. And the reality of it is, most successful, consistent traders don't try to turn $100 into $1,000 or $10,000. What they do is they buy and sell, and maybe they make $20, $30, but they do it consistently. The good thing about trading is the profits you make today can be used as leverage tomorrow. So there's a very, very fast compounding effect, and you just have to be consistent rather than try to take risky trades. Geez. So let's talk about a strategy that I really, really love, and one that I've been using for over 6 years. We're going to talk about two different stocks here. Both positions that we're in on. One's a little newer, one's a little older. So this is ticker symbol DHT. So DHT is a stock here that has a great upward trend and has sold off down to some level of support here. So we entered the stock near and around 1070. Now, the reason why, that is the main question. Why did you buy it? So for me, I have a checklist. I go through the checklist every single time before I buy a stock. So the first thing that I have is trend. What is the trend? Is it on an upward trend? Yes, check. Is it on some sort of support? So in this circumstance, the stock was trading on the 200-day moving average line, which historically has been heavy support for the stock, right? Hits it, buying pressure. So we understood there's a good probability of getting support. The other check, RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. This tracks momentum, determining if the stock's undervalued or overvalued. It was trading for near and around a 29, and the last time it was trading for a 29 was all the way back in here where we had this great move. Okay, the next thing, risk and reward. So for me, I love a minimum of 2 to 1. That is the bare minimum. Obviously, the higher up you go, the better off you are. So this stock here, we were risking about $1 to make about $4 a share. We set our target all the way up at nearby resistance, because that is the probably the highest point where we could see this stock going realistically. Of course, there will be times, in this circumstance where we're getting a good amount of buying pressure and, this thing's starting to squeeze out. The last thing, or more importantly, earnings. We never want to hold through an earnings report. Holding through an earnings report is a 50-50 chance of making money. And for me, that's not the odds we want. We want 60, 70, 80% odds, if not higher than that. So never hold during an earnings. The last thing is finding hourly support. So hourly support here, you guys can see heavy support right on the hourly there where it hit it and got good buying pressure. That is where we entered. This easy strategy you guys can do to start making money. Going through a checklist, and this is why having a trading journal is super, super important. I'll put this down below. This is mine. This is Mastering the Swing, a trader's journal. So check out that. You can get it right on Amazon. Now let's talk about a stock here that we're in on and one that is kind of still developing here. So this is Microsoft. I think we all know Microsoft, blue chip stock, upward trend, sold off down to the 90-day moving average line. Entering here, the stock rallied its way up. RSI 38. Last time it was trading for a 38 was in here where we had this great move right there. What else do we got? Looking at the hourly, you guys can see it had that support with that beautiful reversal, right? Heavy support on this nice, beautiful trend line going down. Entering on that support here, stock is rallying its way up ever since. Now, using just basic indicators, you guys can really start making money from trading. And if you are brand new to swing trading, brand new, and this is the first video you are watching, 1, paper trade. Learn as much as you can. Paper trade, getting in and out of positions, and you'll be in a lot better spot. Number 2, don't expect to get rich quick. I know I've said it before, and I'm going to continue to say it because people think it's easy or it's an easy way to get rich quick. No, focus on consistency. Look at percentages and not profit, and you'll be in a great spot, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. But this is literally how you guys can consistently grow your account. We'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care. Don't forget to check out our swing trading school, and don't forget to check out Mastering the Swing on Amazon. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.